right, so as you guys already saw from the title of the video, we are on our way to, we're picking up a car today. This is the weirdest thing ever. It's like the first technical vehicle, in addition to the Supra, to the channel. Picture that we're picking up like something ideal that would kind of fit, you know, the theme of this. It's a little bit outside the box. I can't wait to show you guys. It's like the craziest thing ever. In conjunction with this entire thing though, this vehicle is actually, it's actually going to be like a little bit of a dream for Mrs. Freshen Up, or Eliza. She's wanted one for the longest time, and we are super excited. Literally, I'm not sure if the people are interested in being filmed, so we're not going to do that. We'll just kind of, you know, film after the fact. The next clip, you're gonna see the vehicle, and we are so thrilled. We're so excited, you guys. So one thing I did forget to mention about today, as you guys can probably tell, I probably look a little bit sleepy. It is literally 9 in the morning. So on a weekend, for me, that's a little bit on the early side. I'm usually up just a tad bit early during the week anyway. So waking up to do really anything before 9ish or 10 in general, you know, has me looking all sleepy. So, but we actually just drove past the house. We're gonna be waiting just a second. We like being super early. We don't want to, you know, just kind of loiter or hang out or whatnot. So like in about 5 minutes or so, we'll let them know that we are here, and then we'll kind of see if we can go check it out. But literally the next clip, you guys, is gonna be the big reveal of the car. All right, you guys, so we literally just picked up the vehicle. We picked up the car, and we had to come to kind of a parking lot of sorts, but we've had to kind of test drive it just a little bit to get the hang of it. I mean, do you want to show them?
Go ahead.
You guys, this is the newest addition to the channel. This is the newest addition as a part of the fleet here. We've got, obviously, the Supra, so we traveled with the Supra to pick it up. This is it, you guys. This is it. This is absolutely so crazy. I was just telling her on the phone, I would have never thought that, like, at this point in time that we would have, like, you know, a Supra, and then like the very next vehicle be a K truck or a mini truck.
It's so silly.
It is the most clowning thing, and honestly, you guys, this is like the craziest little addition ever that you could have ever imagined. I don't think it wasn't on anyone's bingo card. But you guys, so Eliza's been really wanting a mini truck for literally the longest time. Yep. And we found one for a really good deal, but the guy was also absolutely amazing. Huge shout out to you, you know who you are. Thank you for absolutely, you know, letting us come out and just look at it. And you guys, it's crazy. So there's new tires on it, has a new bumper, new
very
wheels.
well taken care of. Very well taken care of.
Absolutely, very well taken care of. I think we're gonna go for a drive. Obviously, we gotta go home, so we gotta go home in this.
We go a little slower, but you know what? If you see us, drive around us, but we're going as fast as we can.
Yes. Okay. You guys are gonna get a lot of B-roll of us just like driving it. So I think let's go. Let's go. So I'm just noticing the exhaust difference. I mean, we've got a Cannon over here.
So do we.
So do we. Look at this thing. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. We're gonna do a video of us firing it up real fast.
That's it. There's a little horn. You want to hear it?
Oh my goodness. Yeah, let's hear the horn. That's actually louder than I thought it was. You guys, that's
It's
loud.
like a train.
It is like a train. All right, let's go. You know, I absolutely love this thing. This is just so crazy. What's crazy is you could probably fit like 3 of these next to each other on the road. It's so skinny. I mean, look at this. Oh my goodness, look how fun that is. You guys, look at the comparison between a huge Ford and the mini truck. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and switch. We're gonna be driving home, so it'll just be me, and then obviously she's gonna take the Supra. But the one thing about this, you guys, is I actually cannot put my Freshen Up in the cup holder, so we're gonna have to 3D print something. It's it's kind of crazy. Okay, let's do this. We do have to have a phone for the speed so that we can see how fast we're going. I can't read kilometers per hour, you guys. It's gonna be a challenge. You guys, honestly, this is gonna be such a learning curve for me. I am definitely brand new, you know, to the mini truck experience. We got Liza up there in the Supra. We are literally, I mean, this is the wildest thing literally ever. This is the crazy. Okay, so I mean, guys, it literally feels like you're driving a golf cart, like a little bit of a bigger golf cart. But one thing I do love about this is there's like 0 blind spots. Like it's crazy. There's literally no blind spots at all in this. So this is my first time being on the main road, you guys. This is the very first time me being on the main road. Everything's going really well so far. One really crazy thing about this is we're actually not able to take it on highways, but we can take it on back roads. So we're literally going to be taking us like an extra half hour just to get home, which is the wildest thing to think about. But it's going well so far, you guys. This is really fun. One thing I'm barely noticing, you guys, is that the Supra is literally 340 horsepower more than this car, which is like that's the wildest thing to literally think about. That's crazy to me. That is just so wild. Going to Chick-fil-A. Good old Chick-fil-A. Let's do this. Let's go. How are you?
So like YouTube, what's going on?
It is.
Nice. What's the channel so I can follow later?
It's just JayFreshman. So we just got this. We've got another car, and we're just.
I was gonna say this is a Japanese truck, right?
It
You're
is.
obviously on the
I
wrong
had to
side.
come with him so I could order the food.
I love it. It's a vibe. So you got it like today?
Yeah,
we
we
just
literally
went and got this.
got this like 2 or 3 hours ago.
Like,
Yeah.
was it imported or like
It was-
do you have a dealer
It was,
or
but
something?
we bought it from a guy that imported
nice.
it in.
Right,
So.
last
Sick.
year. Yeah, he imported it in last year, and then just literally recently, he obviously like got it serviced and everything, and then he just decided to sell it. So
So it's a K truck?
yes, it's a K truck.
Okay, the only other time I've seen a K truck, have you heard of the Outdoor Boys?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
He got a K truck up in like Alaska, retrofitted it with like tank treads and stuff. It was
Okay.
Oh,
insane.
that's cool.
My buddy at school has one of these too.
Yeah?
Really?
Why is everyone getting K trucks?
Because they're fun.
I mean, dude, I would be too.
I mean, they can't go far. They only have like 30 horsepower, but
Yeah.
honestly,
like a golf
you
cart.
don't need much to go far with that.
True.
Yeah, you guys are all set.
You're
Thanks,
absolutely
guys.
amazing. See you guys.
My
Thank
pleasure.
you.
Have a good one, y'all. I expect to be on that channel.
Heck
later.
yeah.
Absolutely.
Is it for Jordan?
It is. Yes.
Let me grab your drink for you guys,
Awesome.
by the way.
Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. And away we go. You guys, we just got home, and it literally kind of doesn't even fit in the driveway. This is pretty clowning, but I love it. I think this is fun, you guys. All right, you guys, that is it for today's video. This is the brand new car. This is it. We're so excited about it, you guys, and we're pretty thrilled. Let us know what you guys think we should do to this. If we should wrap it, if we should, get a muffler for it. We don't really know. An exhaust, we don't know what we can do.
You can do a lot of things.
We can do a lot
to
of
the mini
cool
trucks.
It turns out, yeah, you can do a lot of cool stuff. So let us know what you guys think, and we'll just see you guys in the next one. See ya.